What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at Lake Bistineau on this very windy day, trying our luck, trying to do some crappie fishing and a little bit of catfishing. Joining me is my buddy Randy Morrison. Say hi, Randy. You're on candid camera.
Oh no.
Man, that feels like 20 miles per hour, huh? That's what I'm saying. Yeah, we're about to go to the next one. Good thing is those fish aren't going to spook very easy with all this wind. Oh, there's one. little bait, little white bass. Yeah, I'm showing fish all around this area. And that wind will work your bait too. You don't even really have to move it much. You just sit it still and it's gonna be moving around a lot. Yeah, I've got some weights in here.
Okay, great. Make this cork fit right.
Yeah. These kayakers must know this area because they're focusing on this little stretch here. And this is where I usually fish.
Raise your rod up and see how deep it fishes.
I'm going down about 4 feet. But see, I'm seeing some on the bottom here. I'm also seeing some up top too.
You got some niblets on here?
Yeah, I don't have them on right now on mine, but it would probably help. Are you showing anything on that fish finder there?
Looks like bait.
Yeah.
Big wad.
Yeah, and I'm not showing any fish sitting on the bottom.
About 6 foot deep. The bait is.
Yeah. Usually if you find the bait, you'll see a whole bunch of fish sitting on bottom underneath that bait, but I don't see them. I didn't see them at all when I came through here. That's got to be small fish hitting that. Missed him.
I haven't got a bite.
I mean, who knows? They could possibly be on this other side in this deeper water here. Just saw a shad. Looked like something was chasing it. There was a lot of small shad in the area, and honestly, I don't think that fish can really tell the difference between shad and our lures. Hang on. See if I can get you closer. Only downside about those jig poles is you can't reel down to the bottom.
Right.
Or you can't reel down to your bait. Did you break it?
No.
Okay. Ah, I got hung up. That's better. Nothing. I knew I had seen some shad in the area while I was fishing, so a lot of times all you have to do is just look for a little flicker and you can find them. Another thing is I let the cast net drop down a little bit more, probably about 6 or 7 feet before I decided to pull it up, and that seemed to make a difference. There we go. Check it out.
Yes, sir. That worked.
That will give us some good catfish bait right there. Pull up just a little bit more. Whole bunch of them right there, about 4 or 5 feet deep, front of the boat. Now why they're not hitting it I do not know. Maybe I need a nibble on. Or a different color. Top water? Sweet. Catch one. See, yeah, I'm not showing a whole lot of fish in this area yet. Oh, over there we were catching all those bass. See where the channel marker is? That's where we were catching most of our bass, along that edge right there. See, that water's not as muddy over here. Pretty close. Oh, it's got to be it's either that or those little brim. Just barely ticking it. Can't even get it in their mouth. Oh.
So me and Randy have been friends for close to 10 years now. We met way back in, let's see, probably around 2011, and we've been fishing for the last 10 years, just almost every week. I mean, we've been on so many trips, and gotta say, every time we go fishing, it's always an adventure and always fun conversation, and we both enjoy catching fish and enjoy the struggle, that's for sure.
Yeah, they've already got their stuff set up. I'm pretty sure they're already doing some hunting. Crappie! Whatever it is, it's a good size. Oh! It's a gar. Get my little beater. Get my little beater stick behind you.
This?
Yeah. No, that thing, remember the thing I showed you earlier? Yeah, give me that. Give me that thing. All right, let's see if this thing works. Ready? Get him right in the noggin. My beater stick. That was a pretty good shot, but he's got a... Got him. Got him.
Good one.
Good one. Now, those pliers, yeah. Just one good shot to the top of the head. Now, where'd I put my pliers? Can't find them. Ah, there they are. All right, now back to you.
Snatch that thing out of there, man.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh, boy.
Pretty much. There we go. All right, now let's catch some more. That hook's not that bad. It'll still catch. That hook is freaking crap. All right, let's do another one. And this time, it's not it. Let it not be a gar, but that's the sad thing is nobody's catching gar, man. Nobody's keeping gar.
So shortly after I caught that fish, we had some starter issues with the outboard and had to take the trolling motor all the way back to the launch. It took us about 2 hours. I figured I would spare you guys the agony of that and just wrap up the video here. I appreciate you guys watching my videos and subscribing, and I will catch y'all on the next one.